choose you. Hey guys, it's me, Miss Gately, and we're coming back live at you today.
So today we are going to be celebrating since there is a special birthday in my class and this person absolutely loves Pokemon and we know a lot of you do too. So today we're going to make dissolving Pokeballs.
To make these dissolving Pokeballs, you're going to need some special materials.
All right, so you need some red food coloring, your Pokemon to put inside, baking soda.
Not baking powder, baking soda.
You need something black to make the black part of the Pokeball, so we chose raisins, water, white vinegar, and then a bowl, and actually 2 bowls, and forks to mix with.
Step number 1 is going to be you're going to need your 2 bowls and your baking powder. And you're going to pour baking powder into both bowls. And then you're going to need to add a little bit of water in it and mix it around until your baking soda is moldable. So it kind of feels like Play-Doh and you can play with it and shape it.
All right, to make the red part of our Pokeball, I'm gonna take this red food coloring and I'm gonna put a lot in here. If I don't put enough, it'll be pink. So we're gonna try this and we'll see how it goes.
Okay, so our next step is you are going to need something as a bottom. So you can use tin foil or a plate. You'll just need something to put your baking powder on top of. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take your white baking powder and you're actually going to mold it or shape it into half of a sphere, since that is the shape of our Pokeball. As you can see, I've now made the bottom half of my Pokeball. Is it a perfect sphere? No, just do the best you can. And then you can go ahead and pick out your favorite Pokemon figurine, put it inside, and our next step will be to make the top half of our Pokeball. So we'll go ahead and use this red baking powder to mold it into our top half of the Pokeball. Now, because it's food coloring, if you don't want to get dye all over your hands, you can try wearing gloves. That way your hands don't get as messy.
All right, so we have our finished product. So we put in our raisin as our little button on our Pokeball. I think they look pretty good, don't they?
Absolutely.
So now for the final step, we want to release our Pokemon. We caught them. Now we want to use them as our best friend. So we're going to take our white vinegar. We're going to pour a little bit onto a spoon, and then we're going to slowly pour it onto our Pokeball, and out comes our Pokemon.
So we finally got to release our Pikachu. So you'll have to try this at home and let us know how it goes.
If you're not a big fan of Pokemon, another idea is to put in your favorite LOL doll or other figure that you have at home and make an Easter egg for Easter.
Same idea. Be sure to send us your pictures of what you make and the end result after you add the vinegar. Good luck!